and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are now in Brisbane. We are staying with my cousin V and his beautiful family. We arrived after 10 hours last night, about 7:30 p.m. Brisbane time. The drive was long, but it was all worth it. Grateful to be here with the fams. Come along and spend the day with us. This is my nail Not when you can't walk apart.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful. And I tell her,
hi everyone, I don't know if you can hear me, but hi, I'm Mafa. I work and I do uni. Wow, Toropa. Wow.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
my shoes from Kmart, you know. I did them myself. What do you want?
I'm getting a steak today.
I'm getting a classic cheeseburger. The classic farm cheeseburger. I heard it's good. Lame. I got glasses. I get glasses. I got it's for my hair. No. I gotta say.
I want to get a steak. I want a steak.
Right. I have a steak. I say. It's supposed to go out, but it's squished in my bag. Lip oil. Oh my gloss. Yeah, we're stopping the video.
Can't even see anything. Yes, we are. We're going to Lopa's favorite spot.
What you call chicken place.
Ah.
It's all you can eat chicken place. Searching for them just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if look okay, you know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I
Thank you for spending the day with us, fam. It was good to see your auntie Mafa. We went out for lunch and also watched their band practice. We ended the night at this all-you-can-eat chicken place. They had different options to choose from, which was cool. Definitely check them out if you're in town. We thought we could eat more than 2 baskets, but we couldn't. But anyway, we ended the night with the fans checking out the views and then went for a cruise around town. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya.
are.